Hey there, welcome to this video. Today we'll see how to install Mass SEO Article Generator. So when you get the MSAG, you should see an installer, MSAG installer file, as you can see on my screen. So you have to simply double click it. It will ask for installation. If you're not an admin, it will ask for the admin access if you want to put it on every other user. If you want to keep it only for the current user, you can use install for me only. So I'm using another account on my PC, so I'll consider install for me only right now. So this is the by default path you will have. It will install into program files under name of MSAG. So we'll go to next. This is a kind of a feature you can select create desktop shortcut so that you can easily access the Mass SEO article generator. So as I'm doing this video, the version is 1.2.25.03.20, and as soon as I'll be putting updates onto that, these versions will change, and I'll let you know as new versions get released. So we'll select the create desktop option. We'll move next. So this is like ready to install. Once you click install, the MSAGs will start deploying all the files required for this tool to run. So this basically is an installer, and I'll consider I'll show the uninstall option as well once we finish up. So let the installation complete. So this video is basically to show you how to install Mass SEO Article Generator and how to uninstall if you don't want to use it anymore. Okay, so I think we are about to finish the installation. Yep. So by default, it will ask for the launch of this tool. If you don't want, you can simply click on uncheck this box and finish the installation. Now I'll just go to the desktop. So as you could see, we have created an MSAG shortcut. And if you want to look at the file path, I'll open the file location as I said. So this is our program files and MSAG folder. So here all the necessary files of the tool will be put in. So this is how you can install Mass SEO Article Generator, short form MSAG. Now I'll again show you how to uninstall it. So simply what you need to do is go to control panel, uninstall a program, and you should see Mass SEO Article Generator here. Here it is. So uh, okay, I guess I have another old version. So first I'll uninstall it. Okay, and then we have this one which we just now installed, version 1.25.0.03.20. So I'll uninstall this one, and you should see this shortcut getting deleted. Yeah, here it is. So this is how the installation and uninstall of Mass SEO Article Generator works. If you have any queries on this, please let me know. I'll be there to answer your questions. So with this, I'll finish this video. In upcoming videos, we can go through the tool and other features of the tool. So here you see the Mass SEO article generator was successfully removed from your computer. So this is how easy it is to install and uninstall the software. So with that, I'll close this video. Thank you for watching. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel for getting updates on this tool. Thank you.